In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update DaVinci Resolve 20 the right way, step by step, so you can get the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements without confusion. Whether you use DaVinci Resolve for editing, color grading, audio, or effects, keeping it updated is one of the easiest ways to make sure everything runs smoothly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software guide. Let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program is running, look at the top menu bar. You're going to click Help. This menu is where Blackmagic Design places support options, update checks, and other helpful tools. After you click Help, select Check for Updates. DaVinci Resolve will then look for the latest version available. If an update is available, it will open the official download page for you. This is important because it makes sure you're getting the update directly from Blackmagic Design, not from a third-party website. When the download page opens, look for the latest version of DaVinci Resolve 20 on the Blackmagic Design support page. Make sure you download the correct installer for your operating system, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the latest release so you don't accidentally install an older version. Once the installer file finishes downloading, close DaVinci Resolve completely before continuing. This step matters because the installer needs to update or replace the current version, and the software should not be running in the background while that happens. Now locate the downloaded installer file and run it. On Windows, this may be an .exe file, and on Mac, it may be a .dmg or installer package depending on the download. Open the file and follow the installation steps shown on screen. The installer will guide you through the update process, and in most cases, it will simply update your current version without removing your project files or settings. If you see any prompts asking for permission, enter your system password or approve the installation so it can continue. Let the installer finish completely, and give it enough time to copy the new files and replace the older version if needed. When the installation is done, you can open DaVinci Resolve again. At this point, the updated version should launch normally, and you'll be ready to continue editing with the latest improvements installed. If you want to double check, you can go back into the Help menu later and confirm the version number. And that's it. You've now updated DaVinci Resolve 20 using the official method from Blackmagic Design. It's a simple process, but following these steps carefully helps avoid installation errors and keeps your editing setup current. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and comment below if you want a guide on installing plugins, fixing errors, or speeding up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.